If you submitted your FAFSA form and later realized something's off, or if you've been asked to fix an issue, don't worry. You can go back and make corrections pretty easily once your form has been processed. First, open your browser and head over to studentaid.gov. Sign in using your FSA ID. That's usually your email, phone number, or username, along with your password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the section called My Activity. This is where your FAFSA submission will show up. Click on the one that was already processed. Now there are two ways corrections can come up. One is when you made a mistake or want to update something on your own. The other is when there's an official request for a correction, usually marked as Action Required. If you see errors found in your application, just follow the button that shows up, like Start Your Correction or Provide Signature. That'll take you straight to the part you need to fix. If you just want to make a change yourself, like maybe updating some info or adding a school, look for the Actions button on the page and then choose Make a Correction. Once you're inside the form, go ahead and fix whatever needs to be updated. Just remember that after you change anything, you'll need to re-sign and submit your section. Now here's something important. If you edit something in a section that belongs to a contributor, like your parent or spouse, they'll also need to log in separately, sign again, and submit their part. Until they do, the form won't be considered complete. Also, contributors can only make changes in their own sections. So if your parent needs to fix something, only they can update it after logging into their account. Once everything is reviewed, signed, and submitted again, your correction will go through for processing. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.